Hello and welcome. My name is Amar and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can style your text with outline or text strokes. So it's very simple in GIMP. What you need to do, first of all, go ahead and select your text. So I'm going to undo a few things here. You can see I've applied outline or strokes in different colors, in a color that is very much unique to this particular poster. So I'm going to undo everything. You can see I'm unselecting all. So I will try to do with on the text itself and on the images. So everything is not text here. So let's say I'm going to select one text that is here, write this one. You have to select the outer, the text or or any media, image or design. Right click the layer and go to alpha to selection. Once you've selected, you'll grow this size. Okay, so it selects the design like that, and then you go to select and then go to grow. So let's say you want to grow it by 6 pixel. So you'll type the number and select the pixel, inch, centimeter, whatever millimeter you want. I'm going to go with pixel. So that's done. Once the selection is done, you want to put it on a new layer. So go ahead and create a new layer. You can obviously change the name. Text out layer. Text stroke is very simple for me. Stroke. This is the top text. Okay, so I'm going to name it and say OK. So you can see this is already selected. What you need to do, you need to apply the color. Okay, so you can apply foreground color, background color, and you can select the color you want. I'm going to go with this one, this color. And to apply the foreground color, you can click this color, take the bucket tool and then just pour in the color, and make sure this text is just, the layer is below the text. Okay, or what you can do, so make sure the layer is below. Okay, and then you can press control semicolon comma to go with the foreground color, and if you want to go with the background color, then control period. Okay, obviously you can go ahead and select the other colors that you want from here. Okay, now I'll do the same thing with this below color, below text below the image. You can unselect it by shift control A. So press control shift A to unselect anything, and then I'll go with the other color. So text piercing gun. So I'll go ahead and right click on the layer and then say alpha to selection, and then I'll grow this by 6 pixel. So go to selection and type in the number, click OK, and then create a new layer. So I'm going to say below. It's very simple, right? And then what you need to do, make sure the new layer is below. Otherwise, it will just cover everything on top of the previous text. Now I'm going to use shortcuts, so I'll use Control key and comma to select the foreground color from my color palette. To deselect it, I'll press Control Shift A to deselect the outer layer, the text outer layer. Similarly, I'm going to go with follow the same thing with this red circle. So I'll select this layer, go to alpha selection. I'll grow this by, let's say 6 pixel, and then I'll create a new layer. I'm going to say it, not text, but red circle. Red circle, no, I'm going to rename it and make sure it's below the red circle. And then you can obviously press Control, comma, or Control, period to go with the same color. So that is how I apply strokes and outer color to my designs in GIMP. Okay, I can deselect by Control Shift A. And then finally I can go ahead and export it. I'm going to export it, rename it, export it. You can see this is what we created. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. Bye for now.